welcome back. I'm here again with science. So today we are going to start with chapter number 3. I know it's been long time we have not done science. So today we are going to start with chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is Animals. Among the animals we are going to learn about the various kinds of birds. Now you see, if I tell you, you have to just guess the name of this bird. Okay, so this bird is black in color, okay, and it lays its eggs in the crow's nest and it sings sweetly. So can you guess the name of this bird? I know some of you must guessed it. Okay, so it is quail or cuckoo. Alright, now in our surroundings we get to see various kinds of birds. Can you name some of the birds? Like for example, sparrow, crow, then we have eagle also we get to see, right? Pigeon, and apart from that we also see dove, right? Then quail, that is cuckoo. Parrot we don't get to see, but then there are few people who pet them. Okay, so these are the few birds which we get to see. Now apart from this, if you go to the remote areas or the rural areas, you will also get to see beautiful birds of different colors, like for example, as I said, parrot, and then peacock. Alright, then if you see a little bit more, then we also get to see, not in very good number, but then few, like eagle, vulture. So these are the different kinds of birds we have seen in our surrounding. Now you see these birds, what do you think? All these birds stay in the same place? No, they have their different habitats. Now what is habitat? Habitat is a place where a particular kind of animal or a plant grows or lives. Okay, so that is called a habitat. So for these birds also, they have their own habitat. One particular bird, like for example, crow stays in one particular, like in the nest, or their form of nest is different. So they, all these birds are staying in a different habitats. Alright, so you can see here in the book, these are the different kinds of birds of different color, different sizes, different shapes, and they also live in the different places. Like if I talk about the ducks, now duck is a like aquatic animal which stays in the water, and it also stays outside, but it can also stay in the water. Okay, and like if we talk about the pigeon and all, so they are on the land, they stay basically on the land. Okay, now these are the different kind of birds which we get to see. Do you want to know more about these birds? You see, all these birds have some basic structure. Okay, like their body parts are same, but it may vary from, it may vary in shapes, it may vary in the sizes, it may vary in colors, it may vary also in this little bit of structure. Fine. Like for example, if I talk about crow and parrot. Now crow and parrot, they are different in many ways, like in their color, body color, of course, in their beak. Beak means the part, it's a kind of mouth from which they eat their food. Okay, so that is also different. Fine. But all these birds have something similar in their body parts. Now what are they? Now if you see in page number 23, you see here page number 23, you can see this is page number 23, and these are the various body parts of a bird. Now what are the various body parts of a bird? You can see every bird will have a beak, head, wings, tail, legs, and both the legs are called feet, and an eye. Okay, not one eye, of course they have two eyes. Okay, so these are the similar body parts which all the birds will have. But now this is the basic body parts which all the birds will have, but all these birds have some or the other differences. Now differences in various ways, like in their feather, colors, shape, then feet, all this. So in the next class we will be learning about these birds in more details. Now what you have to do is, you will be reading this chapter from page number 22 to 23 only till the body parts. You will only read the body parts and this page. And what you have to do is, you will draw this diagram. Okay, draw the diagram of the body parts of a bird, alright, and paste at least 6 different types of birds. I will write that homework on the board. At the same time, you have to do this work. At the same time, I will be sending you a link of a video which will give you a better idea or more clear idea about this different kind of birds. Okay, and then we will go to the next video. So I will be writing the homework for you, what you have to do. Alright, so you can just note down from here. So like you can see on the board, your homework, what you have to do, paste any 5 different types of birds in science copy. At the same time, draw the diagram of body parts of a bird, okay, which is given on page number 23. You can see this diagram and draw, and you will paste any 5 different types of birds in your science copy. Okay, so that's all in this video. Next video we will and also don't forget to watch the video which I will be sending you. Okay, hopefully it will all the technical things will be okay, and you will get the link of this video so that you can watch it and you can have better idea about these birds. Okay, so keep learning, take care, bye bye.